If you've ever experienced that constant ringing, buzzing, or hissing in your ears, you know how frustrating tinnitus can be. It affects millions of people, yet most don't know what's really causing it, or how to manage it effectively. Many believe tinnitus is just an ear problem, but the truth is it's often a brain and nerve health issue. Inflammation, poor circulation, and nerve dysfunction all play a major role in making symptoms worse. And while mainstream treatments focus on masking the noise, there are natural solutions that may help target the root causes. In this video, we're going to break down what's really happening inside your body when you have tinnitus, and how certain nutrients may help support nerve health, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation, all crucial steps in tinnitus relief. What's really causing tinnitus? Tinnitus happens when the delicate nerve cells in your auditory system, especially those in the inner ear and brain, become damaged or overstimulated. This can be triggered by inflammation. Chronic inflammation can disrupt the nervous system and make the ringing worse. Poor blood flow. Your ears rely on healthy circulation to function properly. If blood flow is restricted, oxygen and nutrients can't reach the auditory nerves, leading to tinnitus. And nerve damage and stress. When nerves in the auditory system become overactive or damaged, the brain starts interpreting these faulty signals as ringing or buzzing sounds. So if you've ever been told there's nothing you can do about tinnitus, that's not entirely true. While there may not be a one-size-fits-all cure, there are natural ingredients that have been studied for their potential to support nerve health, improve circulation, and manage inflammation. Now let's talk about some of the natural compounds that are gaining attention for their potential to support auditory health. Muira Puama and ginger. These are strong antioxidants that help guard against free radical damage and may support nerve renewal and growth, both crucial for a healthy auditory system. Quai, often called the superior ear tonic, this herb has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It is believed to support brain cell health and may contribute to better auditory acuity, helping your ears process sounds more clearly. Ashwagandha and piperine. These are powerful adaptogens, meaning they help the body adapt to stress. Chronic stress is a known tinnitus trigger, so reducing stress may help ease symptoms while also supporting mental clarity and nerve health. L-Tyrosine and L-Arginine. These amino acids may help balance blood pressure and improve circulation, ensuring your inner ear gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function properly. Poor circulation is one of the biggest overlooked factors in tinnitus severity. Vitamin B, vitamin A, and zinc. These essential nutrients may help protect neurons, maintain nerve connections, and support immune function, all of which contribute to auditory health. Now that you understand the real causes of tinnitus, it's time to take the next step. Managing tinnitus naturally means supporting your body from the inside out by focusing on circulation, nerve health, and inflammation. If you want to explore a natural way to support auditory health, click the link below to find out more about how you can best manage your tinnitus naturally and see if this approach is right for you.